friends, Running Kimono. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of July the 2nd to the 8th. And there's a lot of really fabulous deals in this flyer, so it's going to be yet another exciting week over at Walgreens. First thing I want to talk about are the weird boosters that we started getting on Thursday evening-ish. This one is a make 6 purchases at $50 each, so that's a $300 basket, earn $50 of Walgreens cash. You have from the 1st to the 31st. A lot of us might not even get there, but it's free to load the booster and, a possible $50 return, considering that most Sundays we're doing $50 baskets. I have no idea what the digital coupons are going to be or the other offers for the rest of the month, but we have a 31-day month and it's absolutely free to load this booster and to see where it takes us. Making a $300 or $150 basket of deals happen, is it impossible? No. If you look at Rite Aid does with their bonus cash challenges, same. But, it's the willingness to try something that's completely outside of the box that really separates the people that, want to learn how to coupon and the people that just want to complain. If you want to read some of the comments of this YouTube short, by all means, go for it, guys. People have a lot to say about this booster, and most of it's super negative, which I don't really understand. Give something a chance. It's free to load, and we make magic happen. Very smart subscribers here that are excellent with deals, other content makers that I work with, and my own math. Every weekend we're spending about $50. I think this is fully doable. And it's not $300 out the door because you can use manufacturers and register rewards with, so you're not going to pay that. And if there's high value coupons and high value deals this month, we have 31 days to play. This actually might be something. Now, a lot of us received this booster, which is 12 back when you spend 50. If you look at the dates, it's valid from the 2nd to the 8th, so load it. And there is one of your $50 baskets. Boom. Couple rules for you guys. Again, it's that window of dates only, the 2nd to the 8th. It stacks with paper boosters if you might have it. It's of a one-time use as well. It is okay to use digital manufacturers and manufacturer register rewards with. Get your out-of-pocket a lot less. For the balance, use your debit card. And yeah, that's it. Also, treat this video as a preview. All of the digital coupons will appear in our Walgreens account on Sunday, July the 2nd. So treat this video as a preview. We're just looking at deals, talking about deals, but the fine print will be published on Sunday, July the 2nd. Now on Tuesday, it's going to be the 4th, so happy 4th to all of my followers. I hope you have a very safe holiday. And typically on the 5th, the day after that, all of the 4th of July merchandise, plates, hats, that sort of stuff will probably be a healthy 50% off. So if you want to stock up for next year, that would be the date to do it. Okay, let's hop right into these deals, guys. The first deal we're going to talk about is really fantastic with this Gain Ultra Easy Squeeze. We are going to have $1 reward when you buy 2 and then $1 off 2 coupon. So grabbing 2 of these, it's $3.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $2.98 out of pocket. Out of the register reward machine, you're going to get $1 back, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per dish soap. It is okay to use Walgreens cash with this deal if you're not doing it in concert with a booster. And I'll let you know right off the top of my head, I think these Gain dish soaps are just sold at larger market stores. The second dish deal that I'm really hyper about is with the Dawn dish soap, and I'm so happy this is back. $1.24 a pop. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $2.48, getting back that $1 register reward. It makes it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this not with a booster. Okay, so I think this is probably my favorite deal of the week for laundry products: Bounce, Downy, Tide Simply, the pods, and the liquid. Perhaps this might be a little better to do it as a curbside, but we'll have to investigate that on Monday. If you might have one of these store coupons, let's throw it into the mix, shall we? Grabbing 4 of these detergents, I'm going to go with 4 Tide Simplies because I've got some problems. Subtracting that $5 store register reward and $4 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. You're going to pay tax, and it is okay to do it this way if you're using no booster with this deal. But what a fabulous way to just pay tax on 4 laundry care products. If you're a newer couponer, this is meat and potato stuff that you want to stock up your stockpile with, especially the dryer sheets. I love to stock up on those dryer sheets. The next dealio that we're going to look at is with the Pantene shampoo, $5 to $9, $5 reward when you buy 3, and we're going to have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of those shampoos, that's 15 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 10, get back a $5 register reward, making it 5 for the 3 or $1.66 per Pantene. Going to let you guys know a little bit of info. That is a very cheap price point, definitely a deal I will be doing. Love the Pantene line. Okay, the next dealio that we're going to look at, Olay or Old Spice, $5 reward when you buy 3, and we're going to have a 5 off 3 digital starting on Sunday. Grabbing 3 of the Old Spice, we're always going with Olay, so let's get a little something for the male couponers. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 16, get back a $5 register reward, making it 11 for the 3 or $3.66 per. If there's an IBOTTA rebate, double, triple check. It doesn't say that excludes the use of coupons or the fine print below. Just be super smart, guys. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And guys, I don't have the flyer with all the details as of yet. We're going to get that on Sunday morning. But Pampers, if there's a high value digital coupon, this might be a deal for some parents out there. $4 reward when you buy 2 for 21. Along with this guy, the Creston Oral-B, $4 reward when you buy 2. We got to see the digital coupons, and most of them are expiring on Saturday the 1st. So just keep a mindful eye on that. We have $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. This is a spend offer, guys. So there's a booby trap involved that for the balance, you got to use your debit card, bills, or credit card, whatever you want to use. So grabbing 2 of these Nivea lotions, and we're going to go with the cheaper one for $10.99. That's $21.98. You're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, making it $11.98 for the 2 or $5.99 per. The skin firming one, there's $2 rebates on Ibotta, but you can't use any sort of coupons with. I'm wondering on Sunday if there might be any coupons to go with this. Possibly that might make the deal a little better, but just be careful about it. And because this is a spend offer, you got to use your debit card for the balance. And this is the skin firming with Ibotta. It's a very specific one that I think is like $13 or $14 for one. So kind of rich lotion. Okay, so my other favorite shampoo is the Tresemme. The $6 bottles, we're going to grab 5 of them. $10 reward when you spend 30. The word spend is in there, so for the balance, you got to use your debit card. We currently have this digital coupon, guys, which is a 4 off a 2. I would love to see more digital coupons, and check your Fetch Rewards app in case there might be something for Tresemme there. That would be nice. Grabbing 5 of these for 30 on the nose, subtracting the 4 off 2 digital. With your debit card, pay 26, get back a $10 register reward, making it 16 for the 5 or $3.20 per. For the balance, use your debit card as this is a spend offer. But you know what's interesting about this one? If you wanted to put it in a $50 basket, it wouldn't be the worst thing because you'd get a lot of shampoo on the cheap. And the next deal we're going to talk about are some Dove dry sprays for 7. $5 reward when you spend 20. So the word spend is in there again. So that's another booby trap. Now we have dollar tear pad coupons for some of this deodorant. Plus, we also have this digital, which is a 4 off a 2. So make sure you have that one loaded. So for this offer, guys, we're going to grab 3 of these dry sprays for $21. Subtracting that digital and 1 tear pad coupon, you're going to pay $15 with your debit card. Get back a $5 register reward. Let's also look at the Fetch app in case there might be some rebate for you. And do not use any Walgreens cash to pay because the word spend is in there and they're going to get all strict with us. Okay, so let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is when you buy 4 of these P&G laundry products, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. But most of my digital coupons, I think I've used all of them. So unless we have dollars for each, this is going to be a pretty, not the best deal. But in a booster, it's not the worst thing. But the Tide Simply is the much better deal when it's 4 for $9. But we'll have to wait and see again Sunday what pops up, right? And we also have the Listerine, $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend 10. I love this, especially if you're a big Listerine user. We'll have to wait and see the digital coupons that we receive, but it's 50% off basically. And we also have $1.99 for the nicer Walgreens products. We're seeing a lot of chips and the bags. The toilet paper and some other odds and ends that we like, the antibacterial wipes. We'll have to see what's included, but it's always a positive step when we see it for that cost. Now, with the 4th being celebrated on Tuesday, we have BOGO free on the Lay's chips, BOGO free on the cereal. Probably a lot of the adult beverages too, like beer some sort of rebate. You might have to look at that in the store. And the best soda deal is 3 for $11.99 for the 7-Up. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.